How to use Pionex crypto trading bot. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Pionex and how to use Pionex crypto trading bot. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to pionex.com and you will get to this platform right here. Pionex is a crypto platform which is a scalping bot platform which allows us to automate our work when it comes to crypto, and we will be able to simply buy and sell crypto very easily. So today I am giving you a beginner's tutorial for Pionex and how you can use it. So let's get into the process. So the first thing that you will do is once you get to pionex.com, you will have to create your own account. So you can create your account with your email address, and then you can set up a reasonable password. Make sure that you verify your email address, and then you will get your account. Now we can access our account on our mobile phone as well. So you will get the QR code right here and you can just, log in. So once you have Pionex, then the first thing that we do is we have to deposit funds into our wallet. Now, this is my wallet right here, and you can see this is my balance right now. And if I want to deposit funds, then I will click on this deposit option. So here we have deposit. What you have to do first is select your coin from here, like whatever coin you want to go for. If you want to deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, AP, Mana, BNB, like any kind of coin, Dogecoin. So all of the coins are available on Pionex if you're wondering. So let me actually show you. You can see all of the coins are available to deposit. You can see. Okay, so these are the coin and you will select the coin you want to deposit. For instance, I want to actually deposit USDT. And then this is going to be the minimum deposit amount, which is 1. And then you can select your token. So we have TRC20, ERC20, BEP20, HECO, and Omni. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe deposit on BEP20 because it's like a little low, and you can see even the minimum limit is a little decreased. Or I can go with ERC20 or TRC. So it depends on you what network you want to go for, what token you want to select. So you can just select from here, and after that you will just verify, you will just add your funds to your Pionex. Make sure that you also do your security settings first. So what you can do is you can actually go to your account right here, or it will actually ask you, once you have created an account, it will again and again ask you to actually set up a two-factor authentication so that you will be able to simply get access to your account easily. So right here you will just deposit your funds according to the coin you want to go for. I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling crypto, involves a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. I'm giving you a tutorial on the platform Pionex and how you can use it when it comes to crypto trading bots. So that being said, let's continue. You can deposit funds from here, and if you want to withdraw funds, then you will go to the withdraw option given right here. So this is withdraw. And what I can do is I can now withdraw funds as well. This is going to be the transaction fee available. You can see it's asking me again and again to kind of like set my authentication. So that's what you can do as well. So then we have our address book here, and then we have overview. So this is for my account. If you want to change your currency settings, you can just go to right here. Let's say that you do not have USD. So you can go to the currency settings here and you can change your currency as well, and you can change your language too. I have selected the dark mode, and then we also have like bull market. If you want to go and read as bull market, then you can select this option, but I'm not going to do that. So I've selected dark mode, currency USD, and language English. Perfect. So this is my account. Now let me take you to markets and let me show you how we select a pair and then how to use the crypto bots, where we get the crypto bots. So right here in markets, I will be able to first select the market I want to go for. We have spot market, leverage, and ranks. So I have to now just scroll down and kind of like explore. So I can go with any of the pair available here. We have GMT, ADA, then we have all of these different pairs with USDT. If you want your pairs with BTC, you will select BTC from here, and then you will get all the pairs related to BTC. Similarly with Ethereum, BNB, BUSD, HUSD, and USDC. So I'm gonna go with USDT, and I'm gonna select a pair which does pretty well. Okay, so this one right here, Bitcoin and USDT. This is going to be the price. This is a live price for the pair. Then we have our fight price in USD, 24-hour volume, and then we have 24-hour change right here, the percentage. So this is my, pair. I'm gonna click on it and it will open up the trading window for me. And this is where I will be able to set up my crypto trading bots. And if I want to do trading, then I can set up the bots and automate my work. So first of all, we have the order book given here. You can see, then we have transactions. So I have selected BTC and USDT and this is the live price. Keep in mind, this is the price at the time of making this video. Then we have our fight price, 24-hour high and 24-hour low. This is the duration and I can select 1 day, 4 hours, 1 week and more from here. So I have selected 1 day and this is 1 day window. Then we have indicators here, choose indicators or reset. What we can do is we can also check the order history from here, or we can just click show only BTC and USDT and then it will just show me that. Then we have our own different tools given here. This is my trading window and I can of course expand it if I want, and I can just take it to full screen, but just for the purpose of the video I'm just gonna keep it like to the small window. But you can expand from here and you will get it full screen. So you can see right here that we have all of the different tools. We have like text, margins and forks and scales to kind of like mark our trading window right here. When it comes to our trading, and we have to mark like what is the highest this pair went, like this is kind of like the highest price, and then we can check the lowest as well and we can mark these values. That's what we have to do for the bots, and this is going to be the highest and this is going to be the lowest. And then I can move on to this section right here. This is the important one. This is where I will be getting my crypto bots. First of all, again, I can select my pair from here again and I can check out my coins. Once you have selected it, then you will get the bots right here. So we have the manual option as well, but we will be using trading bots. First of all, we have grid trading available, 7 to 24-hour auto buy and low, buy and sell high. So what will happen in this market, in this bot, is that it's going to be 724-hour auto and it will buy at low prices and sell at high. So this is the one that we use most often when we're doing simple trading. Then we have martingale bot, which allows you to DCA buy one time sell. Then we have spot futures arbitrage bot, 15 to 50% APR with low risk. So this is going to be another bot that I can use and I can click on create. And then we have rebalancing bot, create your own index. So these are the bots available on Pionex in order to do crypto trading. If I click on this option right here, which is like a bot icon, if I click on it, it will take me to my bot details. And all of the bots that I have created will be shown right here, such as grid trading, martingale bot, then we have spot futures, rebalancing bot. So all of the bots will be shown here. In order to create a bot, you can just click on create and then set up all the parameters and select a value. You will add your low value, your high value, and select your percentage. Everything will be added, all the parameters, and then you can click on create and your bot will be created right here. So this is how the trading works. You can see we have grid trading, martingale bots, all of the different trading bots, and you can use them on Pionex right here. Just open up your pair first and then go to the trading bots, and these are the trading bots available. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.